Hello, today in front of me I have the Sony Xperia 1 Mark IV smartphone, and in this video I would like to show the top 3 widgets for this device. So first of all, you want to choose any vacant or free spot you have on basically any of your home screens, long hold, and choose widgets. Here at the widgets page we obviously have all the widgets that are currently available to us, which are divided into convenient categories. So the first widget that I would highly recommend that you add is the calendar widget. So here we have two designs to choose from. We can either go with the compact layout or the full scale one. I'll go with the compact layout because obviously it's compact and it's way more convenient. So this widget allows you to keep the track of everything that is added to it, or should I say that is added to the calendar, including but not limited to events, reminders, holidays, celebrations, and etc. So you'll have everything that is important right at your home screen. The next widget that we would highly recommend that you add is obviously a very convenient and necessary clock widget. So here there are basically two categories with clocks. I'll go with the clock widget category. Choose the design that you'd like. I'll go with this one for example and drop it where you want to see it at as well. Also, once you tap and hold at the widget, you are able to regulate its size. So I have just increased my clock widget. And the third and final widget for this video is direct dial. So let's go ahead and locate the contacts category of widgets. In here we have the direct dial shortcut. So let's tap and hold and set it up properly. So this shortcut slash widget allows you to just tap on it and the phone call with the chosen contact will start immediately. So let's say I'll go with Pedro, and once I want to dial Pedro I can just tap on the shortcut and the call will be started. In my case I do not have the SIM card installed, but if I have once I'll have it inserted, I will be able to initiate a call from my home screen without any issues. Alrighty, so that was it for this video. Thank you so much for watching and bye bye.